DJT stock analysis and DJT stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do, how I'm going to trade. Look, I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos made, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And I'm here to tell you that with Trump media and technology stock, I'm looking at it from a bullish lens. I mean, after that pump up and shift, it did clear the highs out, and that's very clear right here. And then ultimately, all I'm personally looking to do is just double down on that, right? But it's pulling back into my demand zone. So how all this is going to look like is I'm ready. If there is no sort of shift and a confirmation, I'm talking about Y cup accumulation confirmation, then I'm not going to buy. That kind of rhymes, but so be it. But like, without my rules being met, who am I here to try and guess and assume that the universe is going to give me my exact thing that I want to see, right? So stay tuned, and if you want to, I mean, I have previous DJT receipts. There's no lack of it in the Discord server neither. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading with indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.